Did you know that the man behind some of the biggest media brands today started with a rare bookstore? Jay Penske, the son of billionaire racing tycoon Roger Penske, took an unconventional path to media dominance. This is the story of how the love for books helped him build a multi-million-dollar empire. Before he became a media powerhouse, Jay Penske was a book lover. In 1999, he founded Dragon Books, a rare and antiquarian bookstore in Los Angeles. The store specialized in collectibles and out-of-print books, attracting collectors and intellectuals alike. Running Dragon Books wasn't just about selling books, it taught Penske how to cater to niche audiences, a skill that would later shape his business strategy. Instead of selling rare books, he would soon be curating some of the most influential media brands in entertainment, music, and fashion. In 2003, Jay Penske founded Penske Media Corporation, PMC. He strategically acquired major publications like Variety, Rolling Stone, The Hollywood Reporter, and Women's Wear Daily. Each acquisition was a calculated move, just like curating a rare book collection. So what set Penske Media apart? Unlike traditional media companies, PMC focuses on industry-specific, high-value content. Penske took legacy brands and transformed them into digital-first powerhouses. Just like a rare book holds value because of scarcity, PMC leveraged exclusive journalism and premium events to dominate the media landscape. Jay Penske's acquisitions were strategic and focused on highly influential media brands. Here's a breakdown of some of the biggest ones and why they mattered. Variety, 2012. One of the most respected names in Hollywood industry news, this acquisition solidified PMC's dominance in the entertainment media. Rolling Stone, 2017. A legendary music and pop culture magazine, giving PMC influence over the music industry and youth culture. The Hollywood Reporter, 2020. Strengthened PMC's hold over entertainment journalism alongside Variety and Deadline. Women's Wear Daily, 2014, expanded PMC's presence in fashion media, making it a leader in fashion journalism. Billboard, 2020, brought PMC into the music chart business, adding data-driven content and music award coverage. South by Southwest, 2021, 50% stake, added a prestigious live event component, expanding PMC's influence beyond publishing. Dick Clark Productions, 2023, acquiring this renowned live events and alternative media producer, brought iconic events like the Golden Globes, American Music Awards, and New Year's Rockin' Eve under PMC's umbrella. This move significantly enhanced PMC's presence in live event production and television broadcasting. Golden Globes 2023. Through the acquisition of Dick Clark Productions, PMC gained the ownership of the Golden Globes, further cementing its influence in the entertainment industry. Each of these acquisitions was carefully selected to position PMC as an industry leader in entertainment, music, fashion, and culture, rather than just a general media company. From selling rare books to owning Rolling Stone, Jay Penske's journey proves that a love for curation and exclusivity can build an empire. What started as a bookstore in LA is now a multi-million-dollar media conglomerate. And who knows, maybe it all started with a book he just couldn't put down. What do you think about Penske's journey? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into media moguls and industry leaders.